If you have the Gemini Advanced version, you can actually see an embedded tool in your Gmail. It's the Help Me Write tool. If you don't see it, if it's not right here, then you can actually click that little pencil and it should appear, or vice versa. You can click it, it'll go away. But we're going to click Help Me Write, and this is where we will put our prompt. I already have one wrote up, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in. Help me write an invitation for a party on March 29th, 4 p.m. Embellish how fun it'll be. I don't want to be over. Create. And as you can see, it will quickly compose an email with all that information that I gave it. March 29th, 4 p.m. Makes it sound fun. Now, say I don't really like this one, that's okay. I can modify it as much as I want. I can have it recreate it as many times. And then I can change my name there as well. But there is something that I do want to mention. I'm going to go back over to my free Gemini account. And we can really do the same thing inside here because we do have those extensions available with the free version. So I'm going to do @Gmail, then I'm going to paste that same exact prompt. And again, it's going to create an invitation with all of that information that I put in. And same exact thing over here, I can change it as much as I'd like. I can see different drafts, try different tones. And I can really play with it as much as I want until I find something that I like. Once I find something I like, I'm going to head over to Draft in Gmail with the Share and Export button. And it's going to open a new tab in Gmail. Again, I can play with it some more, change my name. But really, it's not that different from the Gemini Advanced version. I guess with the free version, you do have that extra step of share and export, but really that's the only difference. And this will help you quickly generate emails.